morning show. What it is with Esty. What it is.
Power 95.3.
Wrap up some gossip right here with Esty's What It Is.
All right, guys, what it is with Kim Kardashian and Kanye West over the weekend. Major news. Something happened that brought them both to the hospital. Kim Kardashian was feeling some pain Friday. She was a little nervous. She felt sick. She didn't know what was going on. She contacted her boyfriend, Kanye, who then rushed to her side at the hospital. Then we found out Kim Kardashian went into labor. Now, she wasn't due until July, so she was short about 5 weeks. So her baby is a premature baby, a preemie, as they are called, sometimes under 5 pounds. So
Just
thankfully,
fell out, huh?
Kanye and Kim's daughter is okay. She is healthy at this point. Kim is doing very well, and the couple overall is had a successful delivery. So congratulations to Kim and Kanye. I know it's been a long-awaited pregnancy. We don't have a name or photos yet,
Well, there were
but I'm
rumors-
sure they'll be selling it to the magazines.
There were rumors that Kanye wasn't even in the room when the baby was born.
Well, he's
and-
very squeamish. He doesn't like blood and all that gore.
Well,
So I
yeah,
hear he was at
that's
the
whack,
hospital,
dude.
just not in the room. But we haven't been confirmed yet. I just hear that he wasn't in the
I
room.
heard Kanye lost it too when her family, when her family members started trying to take pictures of the baby.
My grandma?
Take another photo, man. Don't take another photo, man.
Wait, that's Rob Kardashian taking a photo.
Okay.
His mom. His mom.
All of you mother. Stop it.
You guys are
And
insane.
Kanye? They're family, dude.
So kind of big deal for the Kardashian household. They were very excited, of course, yesterday being Father's Day, and Kanye obviously a new dad. The Kardashians, their mother Kris and Khloe, everybody was tweeting happy, Father's Day to him. It was just a really big deal for the family.
Good for him. Thank God he received some good news over the weekend because he's getting slammed all over the hip hop community right now for his latest album. It just sounds
Jesus,
like
it comes out tomorrow.
It's garbage.
Really?
Oh, it's garbage.
Man, I'm a big Kanye West fan.
Yeah,
so.
wait till you hear this. Trust me.
All right, now what it is, the two cuties, the cousins, they sing, they dance, they speak, they're fun. And they were made famous on the Ellen DeGeneres show. Sophia Grace and Rosie, remember, they were YouTube sensations. They were really popular. All these views for rapping Nicki Minaj.
But you got my heartbeat running away. Don't you with that heartbeat coming your way?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, it be like boom, away. Did you hear that boom?
That's on the Ellen show right there.
Yeah, so these little girls were just complete YouTube sensations. And then Ellen DeGeneres fell in love with them. She brought them on the show. And now with all that fame and the attention that they've been getting, it looks like each little girl, they're scoring some pretty major money. Okay, so they've gotten a role in a new Nickelodeon show called Sam and Cat. So each little girl is getting over $2,000. These little girls are 6 years old, okay?
Per episode,
6-year-old, yeah, and 10 years old. They're going to get the $2,000 there. They have their flight paid. If this succeeds and it goes well, they could have a regular spot on the Nickelodeon show,
These girls
Sam
are stars.
and Cat.
They're stars regardless. I mean, you can't help but to like these
Well, they've
two little
hosted the
girls.
red carpet. Like, they're teeny tiny little girls. They have
Obi
this
hates
big
them.
attitude and personalities.
Obi hates them.
I think they're kind of
Obi's
annoying.
such a hater.
I don't like the two little girls. I wish I could bash their heads into each
Stop,
other.
That's
Obi.
right. A dad of two little girls himself. Watching two little girls turn out like that just for saying that.
Just for being a hater. So they're really, really adorable. They've scored their little role on Sam and Cat, the Nickelodeon show. And if you want to see what made them famous, power953.com. That's what it is. Every 50 after with the Obi and Little Sean show.
Hey, Obi.
But you got my heartbeat
Bro.
running away.
Thank you, bro.
Don't you
Bro, come on.
heartbeat
Cute,
coming your way?
cute meters at 10.
Oh, it be like
No.
boom,
No. I'd rather hear commercials.
Did you hear that?
Oh, my